Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. The one like will motivate me to be regular and working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 futures in different time frames. So friends, here I would like to tell you that this is a live chart of S&P 500 futures. Here you can see the movements of S&P 500 futures in a 5-minute time frame. So here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures have finally tested the day's high at the levels of 3701, and since then the S&P 500 futures have seen a sharp sell-off from these levels. Here you can see that the gap down in a 5-minute time frame looks evident enough for continuity of a sharp fall. So friends, here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures have shown a steep fall from these levels. Friends, here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to defend the immediate support of the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, which is at the levels of 3696, I find that the S&P 500 futures could easily reach the next support of 3691, where I find that a sustained move below the levels of 3691 could push the S&P 500 futures to test the next support at the levels of 3685. Friends, here I find that a steep fall could continue from these levels. So friends, here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures are trying to defend the immediate support of 3691, but here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to break the immediate resistance of 3696, we'll see this weakness to continue in the S&P 500 futures. Why I am saying so? So for this, let us check this move in a 15-minute chart. So here you can see that after a steep fall from these levels, the S&P 500 futures are continue to face stiff resistance at the immediate resistance of 26 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 3693, where I find that exhaustion can be seen in a 15-minute time frame, which looks evident enough to push the S&P 500 futures up to next support of 3685, where the upper end of Ichimoku cloud could provide some support. Here I find that the system move below the levels of 3683 could keep this fall to continue up to the end of the day. Here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to defend the levels of 3678, we could see the S&P 500 futures to test the levels of 3648 before today's closing. So friends, now let's check this move in an hourly time frame. So friends, here in an hourly time frame, you can see that the S&P 500 futures have formed an exhaustive candle in an hourly time frame, where I find that if the S&P 500 futures reach the immediate support of 3690, here I find that a sustained move below the immediate support of 3691 could keep this downtrend intact. Here I find that the next support can be seen at the levels of 3685. Friends, here you can see that the S&P 500 futures look very weak at the current levels, because here I find that despite the growing hopes on fiscal stimulus, growing number of coronavirus infections seems to negate all the hopes over the success of vaccines. So friends, here I find that the current rally seems to see an end today, because here I find that the S&P 500 futures are not able to